Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. If you guys are in need of a heavy duty construction grade trailer, we've got this one in stock. This is a great trailer. Like I said, it's very heavy duty. This one is in a black blackout package, so it looks cool. It's not your standard white, plain, boring construction trailer. And this one does have the blackout package on it. You guys can see you've got the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom here and the diamond plate on the corners. Rounded upper front cap and rounded corners up there as well. Heavy duty 6-inch frame. This is on an extended triple tube tongue, so you guys will have a great turning radius. And again, you've got that heavy duty framing underneath the trailer. Side door does have that double lock protection as well. You've got the RV lock and cam bar right there. 250-200 pound axles, brakes on all fours, black mod wheels, black diamond plate fender for your blackout package there as well. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close. This rear ramp door, you do have the LED strip tail lights right there. Gutters over the ramp door and the side door, and then the interior of this trailer is really cool too. You've got the Performance Nudo floor with Drymax, so you've got this great superior floor right here. It does have the Drymax product underneath it, which does not absorb the water and moisture, and that is on the underneath side of the trailer. And then you've also got E-Track recessed into the frame right here on both walls. They even did it black, so it matches everything. It looks very cool. 2 interior LED puck lights with a wall switch. That wall switch is right there next to that side door. Back side of the RV lock does have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys right there. And then you also have a nice roof vent. This does have bracing for the AC, so if you guys ever wanted to add AC to the trailer later, the bracing and framework is already there for you to do that. And then you do have a 7,900 payload capacity with this little trailer. This is just a 7x16. It's a 2019 Cargo Craft Expedition, which is their heavy duty construction grade line. You do have full plywood walls, 16-inch on center framing as well, and again, just heavy duty all around. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you guys can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.